Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to the A to Z challenge. We're playing Brand in the support lane. His whole thing is he burns people. He's a Firemancer or Cataclysm or whatever. So all of his abilities operate off his passive, which he makes people burn. And if they have some burn on them, his abilities do other things. So my Q, if I land it on a burn target, it stuns. My W does more damage. My E makes the burn spread further, and my R bounces, I believe, to more targets. Yeah, and you'll see them all play out as we go. He's a pretty old champion, but pretty simple. And the cool thing about him is, I mean, pretty much he's stand the test of time. Like, he's been stronger and weaker in various patches because of the builds. And this one, Deathfire Touch, is making him pretty strong again because his passive counts as an ability, so it makes Deathfire Touch last longer. And then if you build other burn items on top of that, he can get to some pretty insane levels. So yeah, let's see what we can do. We have a Draven here, so we're going to be pretty aggressive. I just realized is that Jack support? Jack support. Okay, so they're going to try to dive us. Luckily, that just means I got to keep my burn on Jax. Gives me a target. Like, yes, you usually want to try to hit the carry, but with a poke comp versus an engage comp, you just basically keep trying to land abilities on the engage to where they're so low that they can't do anything. Man, it has been like this for the past couple games, hasn't it? Where we just sit at 94 ever. I wonder what's making that happen. It's not me. Yeah, believe it or not. Who was it? I think it was my Draven was kind of going nuts in lobby of like, is anyone gonna like DC and make this like unplayable? There's been like 5 today, so League has something going on with it. But hey, we'll play. We'll have some fun. See what we can do. Everyone playing for fun, except Vex or Veth or Vex. Vex. There it is. Woo. Okay, gotta start with Codex. So yeah, we are just going to try to keep our burn on. It'd be really funny if Draven was the one who's like, dude, everyone's always AFK, and it's him. I should have taken that. Nice. So yeah, again trying to focus here. If Moore's AFK, oh there he is.
I don't like you. I don't like you at all.
Gotta be careful. Alright. I just realized my mana's so low. We haven't bought our items yet, so we're not like ahead. Alright, good laning, good laning. Oh, the support life. I love this run animation. Old school Mega Man gamers know what's up. Just trying to make sure you can't like farm for free. Man, mana hungry though. I gotta be careful. Just keep that warded. Yep. Saw that coming. Let's recall. The Ignite pickup. Wasn't gonna let him get away with going to the turret like that. The fool. Okay. Yeah, this Varus is just giving up farm, dude. I didn't get the Ignite off. My bad. Didn't have that tri-warded. That's on my fault.
An enemy has been slain.
And yet we died to the Varus is the problem. Ain't even bothered. Got it. Oh my gosh. Ugh. That sucks. I walked into range there. Bro, I'm just gonna walk backwards. I was trying to get a stun off and couldn't land the E, so I walked forward into range and it's just like, hello, I'm here. Alright, let's finish boots soon, but for now, more damage. Boring lane without Jax, to be perfectly honest. Lucky I landed that skill shot, that might have been a death. That forever burn. I don't know why they wanted me so bad there, man. GG. Alright. The support role continues to be one of the quickest in the A to Z challenge. Let's see. Oh no, I guess you know what? No. League is paying me back here. They feel bad for all the Bard games. They're like, hey, I know it took 4 games, was it? Here is 2 champs that'll make up that ground in the A to Z challenge so that we are back on the evens. Draven, let's get to Vex. She helped out a lot. Yeah, there we are. Probably a B. Yeah, I don't think enough vision. And did I die twice? Oh, Carlito. Is that the Jax? The Mordekaiser. The Mordekaiser got reported? He must have AFK'd. He must have. Yeah, his gold is almost on mine. Yeah, that was an AFK. Yeah. That better be my Draven. Backup barbecue? Heck yeah, dude. the brand with Deathfire Touch is just way too much free damage. It is crazy. Okay. Oh, we almost forgot again. 17. We're almost at that. What is it? 66, 6666, whatever. Repeating. Win rate. Let's hope we can get it.